Okay, sets. Okay, we'll see that these kind of stuff. I didn't write any duplicates, but when I create, I will write a duplicate and I will show you first of all. Okay, so first I will create a set and I will explain this set there. Okay, where is this? Okay, I continue from here. So I'm creating a set. So here I put a wantedly putting a some duplicate values like a 34 or 32. Repetition is there. Okay, and 62. Okay, remember three things are added. Set is taken. Why it is not throwing error? We'll see. First of all, we will verify set is created or not. It is verified. Where is my last 34, 32, 62? Gone. It does not allow duplicate values. It does not allow duplicate values. And my number is starting with a 12, but 12 went to here. Number is starting, second number is 34. The second one is okay. 32, this is the 32. It came to first. 62, 52. These are okay. Again 11. 11 came front to this one, and 78 is last. Again, it is in the last. So what happened here? It is rearranged because of set is a not ordered, means exact places it won't maintain. Even though if you are querying it like a 0 means the first number it should be, first value, first item, it won't come. Set object is not subscriptable. Okay, this is the set. No order, no indexing, no duplicate. Can we change a particular value? We can't change because it's not a indexed one, but we will see any other things are there. I want to change 52 to 42. 52. At least what is 52? Not even that one. No, it won't work anyway. Guys, red color, when you got it, you will feel like irritation, right? So instead of class, I'm getting only error type only. Understand the errors. You must know the errors first of all. Set one again. I'm querying set one. This is my set one. Nothing changes. It is showing error only. We can't change the data also. Okay, it is not even order also. Then what to do? Set one dot. So add. So of course, maybe you can add the data. Okay, maybe. So clear, copy, difference, discard, insertion, disjoint, join, subset, superset, like that you will get it. Pop, you can remove the last one. Okay, update like that. So add is there. So maybe we can able to add the data. We'll try. I'm going to add some number 92. One number I'm adding. Oh, 92 is added. Okay, we can add the data, and we can maybe we can remove the data. We have to check that one. We can able to remove or not. Okay, so dot any remove functions. I don't like that 52. It is not throwing error now. 52 is gone. Okay, so we can add the data. You can remove things, but it is not in a order position. It's not order position. We can't replace something with a something. Okay. Now this is my current set. Maybe I removed a 52. I didn't remember what is my plan, so I created a two sets now. So better to add a 52. 92 is already there. So add one. So where is 52? Again, guys, can you see order is changed? Can you see? Order is changed. Now 11 is in first. 11, 12, 78, 92, 32, 34, 52, 62. Order is changed. So order is not stable. Okay. So this is my table, current table. And I'm going to create another set as per I created here. So like this. So I'm going to add another set. Okay. So I'm added another set. Set 2. Okay. This is the set 2. So we need a paintbrush for explaining, but I'm getting a little bit fear because last time also my mine is okay. I don't want to take risk in that too in a last minute. You guys are sitting from morning and waited for a class also. Okay, and almost it is now 6:30 and programming and kind of stuff only this is. Uh, so yeah, this is a set. This is another set. This is a set one. Guys, if you, anybody want to like, you can also write in your book my diagram. 12, 52. Okay, I removed it and I added it again. 52. So I've written for my pulse 32. That's it. Set 1. 12 is there. 34. What is this? What is this diagram called? Yeah. You forget 10th class, linear algebra. I don't know which name of zebra it is, but do you forget these things? Venn diagrams. Very good. Venn diagrams. 52, 76, 32. No, 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 not 32. 32 is already given here. 77, 22. And here bonus is 92 is also there. Okay, because I added a 92. Okay, so this is set 1. Set 1 data is 34, 52, 12. Sorry, 34, 12, 52, 32, 92, 11, 78, 62. Okay, so this is set 1 data. Set 2 data 12, 63, 76, 52, 32, 77, and 22. Okay, this is set 1 data. What is the common data? What is the common data? This is middle one is a common data, right? Yeah, this is correct. Common data 12, 52, 32. This is a common data. Set 1 only. Only set 1. Only set 1. Only set 1. No common data. Only set 1. What is the data? 34. Guys, please help me. I'm already getting back pain. And I think already you are already off dead. Only set 2 data. 63, 76, 77, 22. This is only set 1 data. Okay? Only set 1. Common data is this is a common data of set 1 and set 2. Without a common data means you don't want common data, individual data, this combination. So which one is union, which is intersection, superset kind of stuff. we'll see that one. So supercut and all also we'll see. Okay, so I'm typing here set1 dot difference difference set2. Okay, what is the difference between set1 and set2 is set1 only, set1 only. 34, 11, 92, 62, 78. This data only, this part of data only, that is set1 differences to set2. Set2 difference set1. Okay, 76, 63, 77, 22. That is set2 only. It means no common data, nothing relation with the set1. Only set1 part. Next. Set1 intersection set2. What is the intersection? Common data between set1 and set2. What is the common data between set1 and set2? Intersection. Union. Union. Set2. So it won't display the common data two times, but it is displaying set1, set2 complete data. No duplicate values, but full data. So you can see 32, 34, 11, 32, 34, 11, 12, 77, 76, 78, 52, 22, 92, 90, sorry, 62, 63. Okay, it's a combination of set1 and set2 without any duplicate. Means 12, 52, 32 in a both the sets, but it will display only once only. Okay, so this is union means combining. Intersection means the difference between, means common data. So intersection is like a common data, union means combination, and difference means only a particular set value which is not common data. Not common data we are not showing, so only set one value only. Okay, so this is sets. Superset subset is also there. So for example, I want to go to set 1. This is my set 1. I'm going to create another set 3, like this. Curly brackets, remember guys. So 11, okay, 11, what I'm doing, 11, 92, 34, okay, like that. So 34, 11, 92, 34, that is enough. So set 3 values, all values in set 1. Set 3 all values in set 1. So set 1 dot is superset to set 3, or reverse, you have to check it. True. Set 1 is superset to set 3. It is a superset because set 3 all values in set 1. Okay. Or set 3 dot is subset of set 1. True. Reverse also true. Like set 1 is a superset, set 3 is a subset. If you run in a different manner, like a set 1 dot is superset, uh, again I'm writing that one. No, subset of set 3 false, like that. Okay guys, superset, subset. Okay, other few things are there, so that is not I'm not going. Already I showed how to add, how to remove also. Unions, main target of set creation is for any common data is there, so to find the common data between two sets, so we can use intersection. Okay, so only you don't want a common data, only a bar b bar is there, no, like that. That is, guys, understand? Sets. It's a 10th class subject only. That's sets and relationships, Venn diagrams. One more is there, that is a frozen set is there. That's I'm not involving in any frozen set kind of stuff. So again, this is a set I define here again, so I will show you. So duplicates values are not allowed. Okay, and it is not index. So when you are trying for an index, definitely you will get an error. Okay, just for a few things, I removing this one because in a YouTube you are unable to see these things. So I'm putting the curly brackets now. Maybe no problem. Guys, got the point? What is a set? It is unordered. We can't replace the data. We can add and remove the data. Particular data we can remove or add a data, but we cannot replace the data like a list. Okay, and unindexed and unordered. So we can't use the indexing kind of stuff here. And it, okay, and more it is like a differencing kind of stuff. It is, I written like only set one, only set two. What is the common data? Like that I use it, and superset, subset. Also I explained it. Actually, last one is a dictionary. Dictionary is also there. Um, Guys, you can try dictionary once. It is quite easy. Dictionary is also very easy one. Okay, so these many things not required. What I said, that is more than enough. So tomorrow morning, first we will see if loop, for loop, while loop, and how to define a function, and how to define a class. How to define a class. Any other people interested, then you can add it in a noon time. I means evening time. Any doubts after 6? So we'll see 2 to 3 days. Any practicals, columns are there. Okay. Simply define the set. Okay. Yeah. One more thing we forget. Yeah, like a tuple and thing. You have a set one. You have a set two. Can we put a set one plus set two? Sorry, that is a mistake. Set one plus set two. Yeah, no, set one plus set two. You can't add. That is not working. Set one star two. Not working here. Okay, these things won't work. No one is replying. Find out what is a dictionary. Try dictionary. It is very easy. Not much this complex like this one. Okay, duplicates are not allowed. It is changeable, and it is order or unordered, so both the things are there. So it is ordered in 3.7, not ordered in a 3.6. So be careful, check it whether it is ordered or not ordered. Okay, because it's a 6:36.